We're backstage, getting ready to go get on the four-wheeler. I like that hair, don't you? It's nice of you to tie your brother's shoe. This is the weekend of the air and what was the sea show. And so it's Friday, and Friday is a practice day. You can probably hear the loudness of the planes in the background. Welcome to the sometimes random, occasionally, every once in a while, Pastor's Vlog. There goes one of the planes. There's one of the planes. I don't know if you can see it. It is amazing how fast they go, how loud they are, how powerful they are. Here comes another one. They're on their way to go outside of the intercoastal, so I guess they can watch the air and sea show. All the boats that are here, all these boats are here. All these boats are accumulating for the air and sea show. Hey guys, it has been a very busy day. So thanks so much for hanging out with all the loud noise, and it scares the dogs. Charlie gets scared to death with loud noises. So we got all these planes flying over as they practice, and he's freaking out. But anyways, we got the teaching done. It's going to be an incredible weekend, and I hope you're coming. It's going to be awesome. If you're not in the South Florida area, of course, go to troygramling.com. All of our teachings are there. We're going to look at Mark 6, John 6. Should be fun. You like my hat? It's the Miami, the U over Africa. Anyways, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Oh, I meant to tell you, we have 100 episodes coming up. Now, you know what that means. We got some giveaways. We're going to do some live shows. We're going to answer your questions. Basically, we're going to have a vlog-gone party like that, because I'm from Arkansas. We say doggone party, but I'm saying vlogged, whatever I said. Anyways, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we'll give you more information as we get closer to it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. It'd be awesome if you would. Be encouraging to me, and hopefully traveling along for a few minutes each day is encouraging to you. I'll catch you on the next vlog. You know what's coming, because this one is over.